Oars are back on. She's got him cornered. Trying to cut him off. Did you cut him off? Cut him back on. Go run from him now. Run, run, run! You gonna catch him? Oh, you cut him off. Back on. Run, run, run! Run, run, run! You gonna stomp on him? Say, take it, crazy Roomba. Oh no, he made you do a split. Can you go get him? Walk over and get him. Say, dog, out of my way. I'm trying to fight the Roomba. Zoe, move. And she's walking. In case anybody didn't catch it, there's, whoop. She made about 4 steps before she realized what she was doing and grabbed onto something. You gonna slide? Climb on up there and slide down. Better hold on tight. Are you skipping the steps? You're just going to go to the very top? I don't need no steps, Mom. Watch this. I'm a big, strong girl. Now sit on your butt so you can slide down. You was up there. Did you change your mind? Oh, you hear Roomba? Better go get it. Can you tell Mommy hi? Hi. Hi. Where's Kitty? Kitty, Kitty. Holler for Kitty. In case you didn't hear that, we holler for Kitty by saying, can you holler for Kitty again? Kitty, Kitty. Holler for Kitty. You're rotten.